Want some easy tricks to remember how India's constitution was made? Let's get into it.
Yeah, all those names and dates can be a lot, but don't worry, we're going to make it simple.
So the journey started way back in 1928, and it took a while to really get going.
Okay, so the big turning point, the 1946 Cabinet Mission Plan. This is what made it official.
All right, here's the first key number you got to remember. 389. That's the total number of seats.
And here's how those 389 seats were split. 296 elected and 93 from the princely states. And of course, who can forget Nehru's Tryst with Destiny speech, marking that incredible moment.
So, independence is here. Now, who actually did the hard work of writing the Constitution? Let's see. Check it out. You had big names like Nehru and Ambedkar leading these super important committees.
The drafting committee was the big one. Led by Dr. Ambedkar, it had 7 members in total.
Okay, now for some really cool facts that are super easy to remember. You'll love these.
Get this, it took almost 3 years to write the whole thing. 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days.
Here's an easy visual to lock in your memory. The elephant was the Assembly's official symbol.
And believe it or not, the Constitution wasn't typed. It was all handwritten by these incredible artists.
Okay, another key number for you, 284. That's how many members signed the final version.
So, what did all this work create? Well, it's a really unique blend of government styles.
Basically, it's got federal parts that divide power and unitary parts that centralize it. A cool mix.
Are you ready for the ultimate memory trick? This one's for remembering all 12 schedules.
Just remember this phrase, Tears of Old PM. Each letter stands for one of the schedules.
So, think about it. This was made over 75 years ago. Why do you think it still works so well today?